Sunday, everyone. Time for your Sunday Science Tidbit, and this week we've got an extended Sunday Science Tidbit. We're going to talk about some out-of-this-world weather. So we start right here at home. Earth is the only planet able to sustain life. It can bring a variety of weather from pleasant to downright extreme. The temperature has been as low as negative 126 degrees and as high as 136 degrees. Water falls from the sky as rain, seasons last 3 months, and our days are 24 hours long. Of course, it's not the same on all the other planets. Let's check them out. The planet closest to the sun basically has no atmosphere, which helps it lead to big temperature swings over the course of a day, which, mind you, is 176 Earth days long. Mercury gets as hot as 800 degrees Fahrenheit in the daytime and as low as negative 290 degrees during the nighttime. While the days are long, the years are not. 1 year on Mercury is only 88 days long. If you were to visit the hot planet, the sun would look 3 times bigger in the sky than here on Earth. Now, Mercury may be the closest to the sun, but Venus is actually the hottest planet in our solar system thanks to sulfuric acid clouds that bottle up the heat, allowing it to get hot enough to melt lead. While the size is similar to Earth, Venus spins in the opposite direction, meaning the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Venus may be named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, but I'll personally pass. We bypass our lovely home to venture the red planet, Mars, which gets its name from the iron oxide, also known as rust on the planet. Mars is a smaller, drier, and colder version of Earth with a thin carbon dioxide atmosphere. There are polar ice caps on Mars, as well as volcanoes, canyons, and even 4 seasons, though the seasons on Mars are twice as long. There have been sightings of dust storms and even dust devils on the rocky red planet. So now we go to the largest planet in our solar system. It's surrounded by a posse of more than 50 moons. Jupiter's colorful clouds are actually made up of ammonia, water, and ammonium hydrosulfide crystals that swirl around the planet thanks to strong jet streams. The Great Red Spot is a gigantic storm that is much bigger than our own planet. Jupiter is home to the largest lake in the solar system made of hydrogen instead of water. Now our next stop has the most iconic rings, which actually move at different speeds. Saturn is similar to Jupiter in composition. The winds zip around the upper atmosphere over 1,000 miles per hour. The strong winds and heat rising from the center give the planet a yellow and gold banded look. Now our next planet is unique because it spins on its side and rotates backwards. Uranus is a colored blue-green planet thanks to the methane gas in the atmosphere, which can be even turned into small diamonds under high pressures near the center of the planet. It can literally rain diamonds, but don't get too excited. To get them, you need to heat things more than 5,000 degrees and apply several 100,000 times the pressure that we have here on Earth, so no getting diamonds from there. It also rains diamonds on Neptune thanks to the methane atmosphere that colors the planet a vivid blue. The windiest planet in our solar system tears through the clouds at a rate of 1,200 miles per hour. Galileo found Neptune through mathematical predictions instead of observations. And here's the crazy thing. Every 250 years, Neptune briefly switches places with Pluto for 20 years thanks to an irregular orbit pattern. Which brings us to the once planet, now dwarf planet Pluto, located in the Kuiper Belt. The planet is 33% smaller than our own moon and takes 248 Earth years to make one complete lap around the sun. Pluto is now famous for the heart-shaped landscape from NASA's New Horizons project. So, what's your favorite planet?